Do-it-yourselfer and you change your own oil, or possibly you went and had your oil change done, but they didn't reset your oil life indicator on your Chrysler 200. I'm going to go through step by step in this video how to reset your oil light. If that's what you're seeing on your dash, I'm going to show you how to reset that. How to reset that oil change required indicator. Insert your key. Turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. And now you're going to press the accelerator all the way to the floor 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Come up here and remove the key. And then I always like to open and close the door. And that's how you reset the light. Now let's turn the car back on and see if it's gone. And as you can see, the oil change required light is gone. Resetting that oil change indicator is not complicated at all. It's just not very well known. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.